Okay, today we're making a video for Porsche GTS 911. We want to show you that we installed the Carplay, and everything's working pretty good. Actually, I'm surprised. Quality looks okay. So we repaired the unit, everything's working on the unit. On top of that, we installed Carplay, and it also supports rear camera and other nice things. This one works. This one works, and touch screen works as well. So it supports Android Auto, AirPlay, pretty much everything possible and impossible. Play videos from external source. Pretty much anything you want. That's pretty nice upgrade. And going back, you have to click this button, and then you click info, and you click this. That's it. This is PCM 3.1 Porsche 2016 911 GTS. Thank you.